working.
Hey y'all, it's me, Jada A, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Give yourself a round of applause. Y'all, it is the last day of my 7-color series. We've come a journey. I started this, in September? And it's ending in January? Wow. New year, and it's over. I should have been finished with this in December, but pish posh. This is crazy. We're in our end. We're on the last day. The color is blue. You already know. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and please, please, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Now, if you want to see how I got this gorgeous blue look, just keep watching. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the MYOMAKEUP brushes and his collab with Sephora. This is not the full kit. This is the face kit, and then I also bought the eyes kit because the face kit, the whole set, was sold out. So we're gonna be reviewing those today. I'm super excited because Mario's supposed to be, you know, like top notch, you know. He does like Kim Kardashian's makeup. So, you know, I'm super excited to see what he got going on. It comes in this like black case with gold letter. Ooh. That's like raised a little bit. The box is nice. On the back, it has like the pictures of the brushes and what's supposed to be used for what. And then on the back, it also says what that actual brush does. So the first one says powder brush you use all over the face to seamlessly set or blend makeup for a flawless finish. Can be used with loose or pressed powders. So basically it's telling you what each brush is used for. So it comes with like this case, and it has like, ooh, Mr. Mario. He doing things nice. So you kind of like twist it, and it opens, and then you put all your brushes on the inside. So it tells you right here, what each brush is. I'm gonna take them out. That's annoying. So in order to keep the brushes held down, there's like a little sticky thing at the bottom. Gross. And I can't get it off. You hear that? They're like, I don't, like not a metal. And on it, it's literally engraved, and it says Makeup by Mario X Sephora. So these are just the unboxing of the face brushes, because I had to buy 2 sets. Cause the face brush one retails for $69, and then the eyeshadow ones are $49. However, the full case retails for $119. These are the face brushes. I don't know why they call this a face brush. I use that for eyeshadow. Maybe because people use that for concealer. But, y'all, just like, what? So that was the face brushes. Let's get into the eye brushes. Same packaging. It's cute. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. The brushes that you get are a concealer brush, highlight brush, a contour slant brush, a cheek brush, a foundation brush, and a powder brush. And with the eyes brushes, you get hold on one second, a brow brush, smudge brush, shadow brush, detail brush, and a blending brush. That's a smudger brush. This is the eyebrow. Oh, that's a smudger. Oh no, that's detail. I don't know what this is. I'll use all of this for my eyes. So I'm going to take my 35B palette from my 35B palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take this blue color up in the top right corner and blend that into my crease.
Look up in the sky. Ooh, I made it. Think I'm gonna lie. When I tell you I ain't gonna take it, I got hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know that my tomb is vacant.
So now I'm gonna be taking my MYOMAKEUP pot in the blue color. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow brush from the Mario collection. I'm gonna try to blend that into my crease. One thing that I realized with this eyeshadow is that when you're picking it up, you have to like kind of knock it off, or else it's gonna get like really disgusting and you're gonna wipe it off and get annoyed and quit. So always remember to.
Y'all act like I ain't trying to hold plan. Act like my son ain't died on that cross. Or I ain't gave you my all. Look here, I ain't taking no loss. I left you with all of my heart. That's the reason I'm here with my hands on.
So as you know, Miss Rihanna herself released some palettes. They're mini palettes, and there's 8 of them, and you know they're different assortments. So I got number 8, which is purely shimmers. So we're gonna use the 2 blue colors in here.
Hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know that my tomb is vacant. That's why undefeated.
So I'm gonna go back with that same, after like I cut my crease, I'm gonna go back with that same Mario brush that I used to blend the crease, to blend the outer areas, because you know we're doing a halo eye.
Like I'm in the lead with your ignorance, don't make you safe. Because the worst punch is the one you don't see. Till you don't see, then I ain't done yet. Watch how the glory my son gets. The whole world's been set up, but you backwards, you upset. I was the one that put man on this planet, but I'm manning the planets and planning my plan, and I'm planning out history. Spoiler alert, I get the victory on over your habitat. Matter of fact, mad as a matter act to my exact. If you like it, then
my crease is cut and everything is nice and blended. So I'm gonna take the more greenish blue.
I got hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know that my tomb is vacant. That's why undefeated. Undefeated.
So Ice Queen vibes. Period. Period. Period.
no natural disaster, no new philosophy, nothing in the past, no demon, no disease, always and forever. Hold up.
So zoomed all the way in, like you can see that the liner is a little bit blue up in the front. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Mario brushes, and this is the foundation brush. Typically, this is the type of brush I would use for my foundation.
You don't do it like the king do. Yeah. Everybody a king. Everybody God, huh? Alright. Tell them they don't do it like the king do. King do. Homie, ain't nobody king you. King you. Simmer down, boy. Down, boy. And get your hands off the crown, boy. Now, boy. Believe me. They don't do it like the king do. King do. Homie, ain't nobody.
I'm I'm done blending my foundation. The brush is just so soft. Let me put it down.
More money, more cars, get some more chains. It's a sure thing, only way that this will go. Rich or po, shove them in the box like a board game. Fool's lottery, if you think all that.
Feeling blessed, never stressed. Hey!
God over money, boy, that's just my philosophy. As long as I'm the realest, I'm the richest automatically. Game full of lies, so they hating on my honesty. But I'ma tell the truth till they body. They don't do it like the king do. King do, homie, ain't nobody king you.
So now I'm gonna take the contour brush from Mario. And you know the drill, I take my Nubian 2 in Kenya. And I'm just gonna contour with that. No. What?
Trying to die right now. Truth is, if you get shot, you gon' cry loud.
So this is the blush brush from Mario. I feel like I want to use this as highlighter, but if you know me, you know I do use my blush and highlighter together. But I'm gonna do this different. I'm gonna take my Best of All by Juvia, dip the red. That just picked up the product like nothing. Hold on. Ah, it's a trick. Don't fall for it. Don't. Oh, that's a trick. Ah. That is a trick. It's a big trick. That's one of the biggest tricks, and I fell for it.
In them songs, if a king keep his word, then them lyrics did you wrong. Cause you sleeping in the burbs, and the visuals is phony. I know everything you rapping about, I did it with my homies. Getting money out the soil, huh? Something like oil, right? That don't make you.
Other eyeshadow brush from Mario's collection.
Do what it do that King Jew? What's his name? King who? You send your kid to private school until mine's bang. You went to college, but you only rap about the gang. Yahweh's the king, and your way it seems to have me off way in hell. In the hallway it screams. Please believe, since it's only one king that can.
I made it. I made it. Yeah, I made it. Oh, I made it. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, I made it. Oh, I made it. Through all the pain, through all the pain. They watch me cry.
Y'all, these brushes. Let's get into my opinion. So, we're gonna start with packaging. It is packaged beautifully. However, I wish it would have came with, like, inside of the case. Like, as you saw in the beginning, it came in like a box, and then the case was like wrapped in the back. I felt like I would have wished that it would have came already in the case. That's just my preference. I love how it's like wooden. It's not really wood, it's like metal, but it's engraved as if it's wood. I like that. On the other side of the Makeup by Mario / X Sephora, on the other side of the engraving, it says what the brush actually, what the name of the brush is. So this is Contour Slant. This is Foundation. Wow, I love that. Yes, I love that. That's a point in my book. Now let's get to the, oh my gosh. Guys, the feel of these brushes is amazing. I don't even know, it feels like I'm like touching clouds or cotton balls or like anything soft is what these feel like. I had a little trouble with the eyeshadow brushes. I know this is not really for eyeshadow, but the other eyeshadow brushes, they were kind of like you really had to like pick up the product and like for them to actually like do what they're supposed to do. And when I was blending, I was just like there forever and ever and ever because it wasn't blending. Like when I picked up the more of the product, the more it got stuck in the brush, and I was like, I don't want that. So I'd say my favorite brush by far would be the contour brush. This contour brush right here is the truth. I contour mostly with powder, and literally just going like this, it just seamless. Like it didn't even, sometimes when I pick up my contour brush and I kind of go like this, it like just does a straight line. This brush does not do that. Even if I brush in a straight line, it's still gonna diffuse and blend. I don't even, it just, oh. And the blush brush was the exact opposite of the eyeshadow brushes. When I picked up the blush, I pat it on the red that I use for my blush, and I was like, ooh, that's not enough. I need more. And I did it again, and I put it, I was like, whoa, color. Like, I want to tell you, it picks up the product. The blush brush actually picked up the product, which is the complete opposite of what the eyeshadow brushes did. I don't even know. Pros, they feel great on the face. The face ones pick up product really well. They contour beautifully. I could do without the foundation brush. I don't really. Cons, so the eyeshadow brushes were really hard to pick up color payoff, and I know that because I use this shadow palette all the time, so I know how good the color payoff is or not, and it just wasn't giving me what I'm used to, and that's just for the eyeshadow brushes. Other than that, I am speechless. Even though I just said a mouthful, I'm speechless. These brushes are fantastic. I 10/10 recommend them. Please, please, please go get these brushes if you want your life to be changed.
I feel it, I'm feeling too good. Like I'm a beast, like a gorilla who's real in the hood.